Welcome to a journey of discovery in Germany, where ancient history meets modernity. Immerse yourself in the charms of this captivating country. Begin your adventure in Berlin, the lively capital with a rich cultural heritage. Marvel at the iconic Brandenburg Gate and take a leisurely walk along the historic Berlin Wall. Next, visit Munich, a city that seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. Explore the beautiful Nymphenburg Palace and indulge in a pint of delicious Bavarian beer at the world-famous Oktoberfest. Travel to the fairy tale-like town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber, where cobblestone streets and half-timbered houses will transport you back in time. Don't forget to try the delectable Schneeballen, a local specialty pastry. Embark on a scenic drive along the romantic road, where medieval castles and picturesque landscapes await. Explore the enchanting Neuschwanstein Castle, the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Discover the thriving metropolis of Frankfurt, known for its futuristic skyline and bustling financial district. Take a stroll in the historic Ruhr Square and don't miss the opportunity to taste the famous Frankfurt sausage. End your journey in Hamburg, Germany's vibrant maritime city. Discover its rich cultural scene, enjoy a boat tour on the stunning Ulster Lake, and savor the delectable fish dishes at the bustling fish market. Germany is a country that has something for every traveler, from stunning architecture to mouthwatering cuisine. So pack your bags and get ready to uncover the hidden charms of Germany. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration.